Alrighty, here we go with part two, my algebra friends. Doing geometry part right here. And I was going to do 4, 5, and I think 7, and you will have 6 and 9 on your own. I know at least period 6 is doing this sheet for their homework. Period 8, you might have already done this in class. It might be on another sheet, but don't worry. Video for that is coming. Okay, so 4. As you can see, this is a right angle, so I know this is going to equal to 90 degrees. So what I'm saying is this angle plus this angle should equal 90. Let's write that as an equation. X plus 59 plus 40 minus 2x should equal 90. Draw my street. Remember, I'm going to combine like terms first. I have one positive x here and a minus 2x here. Remember, combine means add, so 1 minus 2. That should give us negative 1. If you put in your calculator, remember that invisible 1 combined with a minus 2. Remember, combine means add, so I'm doing 1 plus negative 2, which means you're going to subtract, keep the sign of the higher digit if you remember your integer rules. So this is going to be negative 1x. I'm going to keep that 1 visible, and I'll explain later, okay? So that takes care of that and that. And if you notice again, you still have like terms. You have a positive 59 and a positive 40. These naked numbers, also known as coefficients. I like to call them naked numbers in class because they don't have any x's on. Okay, so I have positive 59 plus 40, which is going to give us 59 plus 40 gives us 99. So this is a positive 99 combined together. And then I will bring down the rest. Nothing to combine on that side, as you can see. Now it's time to start getting x by itself. So remember, I'm going to get rid of the 99 first by doing the opposite of what I see. Minus 99 here, which means I'm going to minus 99 here. And what happens is this drops down, negative 1x equals 90 minus 99 is negative 9. Now, remember, at this point, I would have said, oh, okay, just get rid of this, and x equals negative 9. But that's not the case in this part. Why? Because it's a negative, okay? And you can't have a negative x. So what I'm going to do, the reason why I kept this negative 1 visible, is because I will now divide by negative 1 on both sides. You have to do this when you're doing negatives, okay? That way, your x will come out as positive, because negative 1 divided by negative 1, as you know, is a positive. So that 1 is still there, except now it's positive, and I don't really have to keep it. But I'm going to show it anyway. And then negative 1 divided by negative 9 is going to give you a positive 9. So this is my answer, and now that 1 is positive, I can now make it disappear. So x equals 9 in this case. So basically, all I did, if you really think about it, was I took this negative, right? Took that negative off, which means I'm going to take this off. Okay? So x equals 9. Now, so now that I know underneath here, x equals 9, you can now solve. X is 9 plus 59. So this should equal 59 plus 9, that's 68 for this angle, and 40 minus 2 times 9, right? So remember, that's 18, so 40 minus 18, 40 minus 18 is 22. Okay, so for my final answer, I have a 22 and a 68. Remember, adding these together, you should get 90. Let's see if that works. 90 it is, so I know number 4 is correct. All right, going to number 5. And number 5 looks just a little bit different. Why does number 5 look a little bit different? Let me tell you. And I will tell you at another time. I got to pause this right now because the bell just rang. I'm about to get a period. Hold that thought.